Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible. Please continue.
Okay, thank you very
Hello.
much. Yes,
Good
good
morning,
morning, all
Mr.
of you. Yes, good morning.
Sir.
Shamilan is there. Okay. So may I start my presentations?
Hello, sir. Shall we start, sir?
Okay. So I'm just shares my screen.
Hello.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Just a minute.
Yeah. 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Sir, am I
1 minute.
audible, sir?
Yes, audible.
Yeah.
Sir, shall we start?
Yeah, madam. Udaya, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You start, madam. Yeah. Start, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Where is chat?
Good
Yeah.
morning, everyone.
On behalf of Ignorance Institute of Management and Technology for Women, we welcome you.
Hello, madam. Your voice is mute. Hello. 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 Hello, Udaya madam. Is it audible? कहाँ चला गया? Hello.
Sir, I will continue, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, your PPTs are not visible. Yeah, you share the screen.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
I try, sir.
Yeah. Chatterjee sir, share the screen.
I try.
Yeah.
Try.
Yeah.
Because my connectivity is also. Okay.
Hello.
Oh, madam.
Hello,
Yes,
madam.
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, good morning once again. On behalf of Ignorance Institute of Management and Technology for Women, we welcome you all for today's webinar on innovation towards startup incorporation and IPR generation. I am Udayasri, working as Assistant Professor in ECE department. Now let me brief about VMTW. VMTW was established in the year 2008 with 4 branches of engineering: ECE, CSC, IT and EEE. VMTW has highly qualified and experienced faculty contributing their best in providing quality education. It has well-equipped and state-of-the-art laboratories and technical manpower. VMTW has exceptional placement record with most of its students making it to top MNCs. It is great pleasure to introduce today's speaker, Dr. Bishwarup Niyogi, Associate Professor and Head of ECE Department, JIS College of Engineering, West Bengal. He has completed his PhD from Jadavpur University in the year 2011. He is the convener of Institutional Innovation Council, JISCE, under MHRD Innovation Cell. He is the Executive Council member of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal. He was awarded AICTE Career Award for a Young Teacher in the year 2014. He received Best Young Scientist Award in GEC Leadership Awards 2018. He is involved in product design research and filed 32 patents as an inventor. He has published more than 100 research papers. He organized several workshops and conferences with AICTE and World Bank funding. He is the director and co-founder of Ginovation Private Limited, which is a startup company on R&D business. He is also associated with 3 startup companies as an advisor. Now, I request Dr. Bishwarup Niyogi to take over the session.
Thank you very much. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Audible.
So I'm just not waiting my time and just go for the presentations actually.
Yeah.
The screen is visible. My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So good morning, everybody. That
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Sir.
so today's topic is actually already said by you that innovations towards the startup incorporations and IPR generations. I'm myself from JS College of Engineering. I'm associated with several activities, as you have mentioned. That's a very simple things. I don't think about that. Just go for my next slide. That thank you for inviting me. The Vigyan Institute of Engineering for Women, and one things I have understand. I have all times learning for anywhere from your website that one statement that is the global standards Indian values. It's a really interesting word, interesting statement I find out from your website. It's a really exceptional, and it is my pleasure to connect it with you, your team. Thank you, Shomiran, and thank you, HOD, and the others faculty members of EC and entire college, and the students who are just at presence now in these sessions. Now I'll go for the technical pieces. Now, innovations at presence now. The innovations is a term that we are always used. The innovations is actually I have to find out that the concept, the innovations, what it is. Innovations is basically the idea is multiplying with the commercializations. There is between these two ingredient is very important in case of innovations. Any kinds of innovations, there should be some idea and the commercializations. Now, in case of this innovation, there is the three types of these innovations are there. One is the technology, another is the process types of innovations, another is the business model. The technology that you show these pictures that you know that this I think you know about this particular pictures that this is a coil, and here this coil was converted to this electronics a mosquito that is midnight is fast develop this type of things that so there is some disruptions to show there is some change. So this is the technology, some technology behind that. Okay, so this is the technology related innovations, technology conceptualized, technology improvement related innovations. Okay, now go to the next, that is the process type of innovation. What is the process type of innovations? You know that suppose this is one of the stations, you show that stations there is a taxi booking center, the huge line is there. So uh, to overcome this problem, Ola and Uber is developed one app, and without any car purchasing, this particular app is taking a huge radical change in our globe. That is one of the innovations. That is the process. You show the process is changing by this. So this is the process of the innovations, process type of innovations. Next, the business model of the innovations. Business model innovations is that at present now you are just attending this seminar, this webinar through your mobile. I know that maximum 80% to 70% to 80% students or audience or the faculty members uh, have the geo connections actually. So what actually done by the geo, you show at the time when geo is launched, that is the purely business model. It's give the geo is a very low rate in the it's coming inside in the market and propagate throughout the market and capture to our total market properly. So this is the business model related concept, business model innovation. Okay, so there is three types of innovations. What I'm saying that technology, process, and business model. So future disruptive projections or disruptions is 100%. That is actually the innovations. If there is any disruptions that is 100%, then that is actually the uh, that is actually the 100% change, and that is called the innovations. Next we go for the next slide. You show how to think, how we can innovate. It's a very nice thing that how we can innovate. First of all, to how to think, it is a very important term, that is think. You have to concentrate about that. You show there is several pictures I am representing. One picture at present now is not here. I am coming to this matter. First, we just explain how to get the idea, how to get the idea to invent. For that reasons, you ask yourself these three questions. Three questions. That is the three questions. What is happening in our surrounding? क्या घट रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, what is happening our surrounding, what is the problem in the present age or in the our society, what's happening in our surrounding at present. Now you think that there is a happening, that's a lockdown happening at present. Now there is a happening, that is the coronavirus pandemic happening, global pandemic. So what is happening in our surrounding, this is very important. What is the problem in present age or in the society, in our society at present, what is the actual problem, that is the coronavirus, same problem is the at present now the society. What is the commodity is necessary at the present age? Mask, ventilators, kit of the coronavirus detections. These are actually the necessary commodity. I think you can understand these things. These are the necessary commodity. So there is some picture that is also very important. Pictures. What is the actual surrounding? We can show the surrounding like that way. Now I go for another that is property. What do you mean by property? Property. You show there is your house, it is your property, your land, it is the property, but these properties cannot be movable. But gold, which is that is also property. Your mobile phone, that is also your property. Car, motorbike, that is also your property. It is movable property. But property, it's not only on this particular 3 or 4 or these things. Property is a different, another property is there, that is the hidden property. Property concept, what the property is. The product of mind, the property is a product of the mind, our thinking power, our concept, that is the property. Our thinking power, our concept, that is the property actually. The product of the mind, that is what I am thinking, our intelligence. By this it can be possible to solve, by conceptualize this it can be possible to solve, and all these things, that is the property of these things, that is the intellectual property. That is the product of mind and the brain. You are think from the mind, you are think from the brain, that is also a property. Yes, that is also a property. That is actually the intellectual property. That is actually the intellectual property. But how we can define that? Yes, it is my property, It is your property, it is another person's property, it is another person's property. So how we can define that it is my property or it is your property? For that reasons, this type of patent, this type of intellectual property right, this type of design, copyright and GI, all these things are coming for that reasons only. Now come to the matters for next, that is the IPR is a general term covering IPR is general term covering some of the points. Some of the point covering the IPR, that is first, IPR's full form is intellectual property rights, but some of the things are covering through this IPR. That is, number one is the patent, second one is the copyright, third one is the trademark, industrial design, geographical indications, layout design and of integrated circuit, protection of undisclosed information, that is the trade secret. What are these? Patent means suppose one technology you want to develop, you develop, and through this development you just presenting these things that yes, it is a new kinds of thing that you can able to file the patent. That is called the patent. That is actually the patent. Now next is that the copyright. Copyright means whatever you are writing, it may be poem also, or you can writing a statement. This is a new kinds of thing. You just take its copyright. That is called the copyright things. Okay. Next is the trademark. You know the trademark also. In Coca-Cola, there is some trademarks. The Coca-Cola is looks like you when you are showing the bottle of the Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is looks like that. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. That is the trademarks of the of any kinds of company. Now industrial design. Suppose you want to design something new kinds of themes. Design. You can also design some costume. That is also the design. We can take the industrial design, take the protections of the industrial design to make the protection of all this, of the property, of the intelligence of the mind. These things are important. Geographical indications. Geographical indications means suppose I am go for a very simple example, that Rasgulla, you know Rasgulla. So Rasgulla from Kolkata and West Bengal, that it's developed in Kolkata, and it's a geographically in Kolkata or in West Bengal it is developed. For that reasons we can say that the West Bengal government just file that geographical indications, the Rasgulla from West Bengal, or any other state are filing there some things from their position. So that is the geographical indication. GI, it's called the GI. We know the all the IC chip, that's the Intel and SUSH and several. I know that 741 op-amp and all those things. Whatever, all the things are layout designs, are integrated layout designs, and also it can be protected. Another is the trade secret. You show the trade secret, protection of undisclosed information. It's a very important. The taste of the Coca-Cola and the taste of Fanta and the taste of Maaza and the taste of Thumbs Up is different. But this is the secret, trade secret of this. Sorry, this is the trade secret of this company for this product, for the product of them developed. So, so the protections of undisclosed information, that is the trade secret. So these are all actually under the umbrella of IPR. Now, patent. What is patent actually? I'm just elaborating very shortly. After then I go for the how to file and all those things. Patent is a grant actually. It's for the inventions, which inventions we are doing by the government. In case of Indian patent, Indian government. In case of UK patent, UK government. In case of US patent, that is US patent, US government. To the inventor is the recognitions or grant to the inventor in exchange of the full disclosure of the innovations. Patent means the full disclosure of the innovations. That means I disclose my innovations for the society. For the society means that means I'm just explaining all those things, but things is that it is protected for me. That's I am the monopoly. I am the persons who develop these things, that recognitions. Okay. To divert others to exploit the innovations for the commercial success. Nobody can take the copy of this concept from you and to limited period, but the patent is for the limited period within a geographical boundary of the nations. Mind it, if I am filing the Indian patent, so it is the in case of India only. In outside of India, it's at no value. Okay, so the Indian patent with the geographical boundaries of the nations, that things is represented. The terms of the patent is the 20 years. If I'm getting the grant, it's taking 20 years of the it's a grant. The section 2.1.j is representing the inventions, means a new product or process involving an innovative step and capable of industrial applications. That is a very interesting term that is represented by in the patent law legal book in this section. In this section, these things is happened. Now, what is the criteria of the granting of the patent? This is a very important slide to show that invention must have follows these three criteria. Only three criteria have to follow. That is the novelty. Its weightage is the 40%. Inventiveness, non-obviousness, its weightage is the 40%. Usefulness or industry support, its weightage is the 20%. But what is the meaning of novelty? Novelty means how it is different from the others. That is called the novelty. How our product, how our patent, how our model, how our system is different from the others. That is called the novelty. And the inventiveness, non-obviousness. It is a very important term. Hello. Yes. Inventiveness and non-obviousness. That is also the. That is difference. Inventiveness is the different. That is non-obviousness. Non-obviousness means suppose at present now the coronavirus pandemic is going on. So somebody said that yes, we are developing something by which the coronavirus is destroyed by this particular UV radiation. So this is the non-obviousness that previously nobody think about like that way. That is called the non-obviousness. Suppose we can say that in case of my first patent, that that in the virtual reality concept, that I'm representing here my presentations. If I'm show you one rose in here, you get the smell from your mobile. So there is something is magic, something non-obvious things. So that is called the non-obviousness. How to overcome these things? Yes, is it possible to overcome? That is the non-obviousness. That is called the non-obviousness. The non-obviousness weightage is the 40% and novelty weightage is the 40%. And usefulness and industry support. This is also very important terms. If you can develop one product, if it is useful for the industry, for the society, for the huge people, but huge numbers of people, a community, then it's have some weightage. That is the 20% weightage of it. Okay. Next, the patent process and steps. I'm just explaining these things, but how we can process the patent is that purely legal matters. And just shortly I'm explaining that provisional applications file new patent before complete applications and allotted applications number valid for 1 year. So provisionally I'm taking the patent number. For that reason, the provisional patent, provisional application. Then complete applications, the filing new patent completely applications and allotted applications number. Completely I'm filing, that is the complete applications. Patent published after 18 months, it is the normal publications, and if we go for the early publications, within 3 months it can be possible. For that reasons, Form 9 is required. I'll come to this matter later, but things is that what are the things I'm just explaining. Then examinations. After 3 years from the date of the request of the examinations, from 18 through Form 18, it can be possible to request for examination. First examinations report, FER will be issued from the patent office minimum after 3 years. After 3 years in India, reply of the FER and the due date within 6 months of the FER. Hearing means if the controller not satisfied on the reply, there is a review process specifically. If you are then call hearing means the connected with the inventor and with the controller, that written agreement arrangement submit within the 15 days of the date of hearing. Patent grant register, controller decided from the patent grant after verified all the documents on the along with the invention. Post grant oppositions. Also, there is also another point. If you grant a patent, then also if anyone oppose you about the innovations after the grant, that can be possible by the patent. Okay. Now, the term of the patent after taking grant, the 20 years. If I'm taking patent, that's 20 years term we are getting to enjoy the things. Okay. Then the step of the innovation. At present now, the MHRD Innovations Council, different IIC cell and all those things are elaborating this particular step. I'm just briefly elaborate these things. First is the ideations. Ideations means what I'm thinking, but just concept that the ideation is any product, any product where we think product developing, where we think that something unique and good, we identify the problem. First is the problem identifications. That is very, very important, and which problem we are addressing, that is very important. Okay, so next is the idea screening. We just first think about that this idea is possible to solve or not. These things is also possible, and if this idea is solved by others, that is also important. Concept development and testing. That's how we can overcome the problem. That is the concept development and testing. We just test things by simulations and whatever things, that is the testing. Business analysis. Then the business analysis is very, very important. That how by using the business that can be possible to overcome if the innovations we are doing, if there is no any business, that it is not possible to launch the product. So business analysis is the very important. After then we go for the prototyping. Suddenly we just develop one prototype and thinking like that way, yes, that can possible. The artistic things, that things is happen, but you have to think all of these ideations, idea screening, business analysis, concept development and testing. After then you go for the prototype. Prototyping means developing something, developing project, and then for the prototype, yes, it can be possible. After then proof of concept, POC. Proof of concept means, yes, this problem can be addressed by this particular prototype, and we can be test that some address that the prototype can possible to address the problem. That is very, very important. Customer identifications for pre-sales. First, we just think about a pilot customer and just sell it, or just give it them to understand about these things, and the final development for testing or feedback. For that reason, the customer identification. After then, the final development is a actual theme. So these are the steps of the innovations. Next, the step of the filing. It's a very simple. I'm just explaining, very smallly, but it's a very important things. I'm coming to this matter. Write down the inventions, the idea or the concept with as much details as possible. Area of the innovations, descriptions of the innovations, what it does, how does it work, advantage of the innovation. Step 2 is the including drawing, diagram, sketch, explaining the working of the innovations. That is very, very important. Step 3 is the check whether the inventions is patentable subject matter. That is it patentable? We have to think about that. For that reason, the patentability search is required. For the patentability search, these are the main points. That is the novelty, that is the non-obviousness that we have already discussed, industrial applications, and enabling. Okay, decide whether to go ahead with the patent. Yes, we think about that. It can be possible to go for the patent or not. We think about that. After that, we draft writing this patent. The how to write the draft of the first draft of the patent as a technologist, as a engineer, as a scientist, as a student, as a teacher, as a faculty. That things is a very important things. That's that step. That is the inventor's format of prerequisite for the IPR attorney. Prerequisite for the IPR attorney. IPR attorney, to give your concept to the IPR attorney, first we just write down like this, all these points. The title of the innovations, origin of the innovations, from where the concept is coming, from which problem we can address. These things is very important for the origin of the innovations. This is the actual format. Okay, the objective of the innovations, that is the maximum point wise we have to write down the objective of the innovations. Point out, we have to find out the objective of the innovations. Just a minute. Point out of the objective of the innovations. Okay, so from this objective, it is converted to claim. The claim set is developed from this objective of the innovations. Okay, now technology behind of the innovations. What kinds of technology behind of these innovations? That things is very, very necessary. Basic artwork of the innovations of the pictures and product, that is also very important. Basic artwork, basic conceptualized artwork is of these innovations is very, very of your product is very, very necessary. System flow diagram of the innovations, how the product is working. That things means the system flow diagram. That is also very, very necessary. Basic block diagram of the innovations. Basic block diagram, very simple, basic, how the system is working, the block diagram representation. That is very, very important. Critical technology behind the innovations. What kinds of critical technology? Is there any AI? Is there any IoT? Is there any IC embedded system? Is there any microcontroller based Arduino based system? This critical technology behind and actual basis, that things also elaborated. That means full disclosure of your innovations. Specification and justifications of component of the innovations. Proper specifications of justification. Suppose this mobile phone, yes, in this mobile phone, this is the cover. Inside of these are these are there, like that way, all the justifications and why these are the use, these things is representing. This is the mouse. In this mouse there is a roller and there is a these things and this, all these things all we have to mention, and what is the requirement, all this is the switch to on off these. So like that way, this is very, very important for the purpose of specification and justification. This drawing is very important, very, very important. Proper engineering drawing of the innovations. Last point, yes, the proper engineering drawing, proper drawing. We have to make it 3D drawing. This is very, very important. And just look at all these things. This is very, very important for the file of the patent. And there is a patent search. If you go for the Google, you just write down the patent search and just you get the concept of the patent search in there, Google, and you just write down your innovation title in the different way, and then you get several numbers of patents in there, and you find out that is your patent is different than others. This is very important. That is, the patent search is very important for the patent filing. Next, I go for the actual filing costing. Actual costing, that is, the patent filing is filing process is 1760. The publications fee before 18 months, that is optional. If I go for the 18-month publication, then automatically published. If I go for the early publication, then it is 8,800, and request for examinations fee is the 4,400, and the extra charges of the extra seat is the 30. It's depend upon, and the extra charges for extra claim is 10. Before the 10 is extra charges is required, is depend upon, and the attorney amount is depend upon. So these are the different matters. We go for the next slide. So these are the form are very important. Form 1, this is the informations of the innovator. Form 3, the assignment. Form 18, the request for examinations. Form 9, that is the request for early publications. Form 16, the powering authority to the patent lawyer or written. Form 2 is a very important. You show Form 2, there is some forms in the patent to filing the patent, that there is some form. So there is a representations. Actually, to represent about the patent, it's a course. It's a course, purely one course. So a huge things I want to make it very shortly and representing you. That's why it is also a chapter. This is a chapter. This is also a chapter. This is also a chapter. All are one chapters basically. It's a coursework. But things is that just representing it like that way, that these are the things are necessary for a background of the innovation, summary of the innovations, and also the claim and the abstract of the innovations is in the Form 2. These are very important. Now patent, I think till now you are thinking about that the patent means a very big things, and not very big things, a very simple things. Patent is a very simple thing. Only 3 ingredients, what we have already said. If this 3 component is there, then it will be fine. You show there is a needle, and this needle is converted to the James clip. Simple, I'm needle, I'm just bending it and just make it shape like that way. That is the just converting the needle to the James clip. And you show this is when the James clip was developed in USA, probably USA. Sorry, I'm not explaining that. It's just needle when converting to the James clip. Then you show it's a change of this needle to the James clip, but it's a very small thing, but it is patentable. The patent number is that. You show the US patent. Yes, it is US patent. So patent number is that. So. But you show it's useful, it's a hugely useful, and it's a new innovations, new kinds of things. Nobody think about this. There is a non-obviousness. By using a needle, we can staple some of the attach of some of the pages. So this is one of the innovations. Innovations is not patent filing is not the rocket science. I want to say the patent filing is not the rocket science. It's a very easy things, very simple things that can be possible for the patent filing. Okay, any kinds of things it's in your mind, it's the intellectual property. If it is new, it is novelty, not non-obvious, and it is industrial aspects is there, industrial support is there, industrial benefit is there. Ethic is very important. If you are inventing something and just filing the patent, and also you are just publish this paper using these patent documents, it is not ethical. In future, if you are if this flag is in front of some in some body, then or organization, then it will be not good things for the inventor. So for that reasons, we are always suggest it's maintain your ethic. Don't copy Don't copy to others. You think about yourself. Don't do using a one documents to the others publications, patent and everything. So think it's like that way. That is the ethics. Now a very important slide I'm representing you. Very important slide I'm representing that. You show the current scenario at present. Now this is actually the 2015-16 at present. Now it is changed, but I'm just explaining like that way that 2015-16 this is the patent filing numbers, and these are all our these are the country. You show our country is in here in these positions, that is 1, 4, 2, 3. Can you imagine Japan? That is 44200 in the patent file in the case of 2015-16 to 44200. You show this is our neighbor country. We have to beat this. We have to think like that. We have the capability of the innovations. We have the capability of the ideations. We have the infrastructure. We have the capability to beat these things. We have to think like that way, that we have to increase our innovations, increase our patent filing, by which we can beat this particular pillar. This is our target, should be our target. And for that reasons, Government of India, I've already said that the Atmanirbhar Bharat and also all the state government, your state government is also taking care of these things. Several institutional innovation projects, Auto Tinkering Lab, Auto Incubations Mission, several activity, several plans of the government is coming day by day. So only the target is that we have to crack this, because intellectual property improve ourselves, improve us. This is a global innovation index. What is global innovation index? It's a criteria, it is a representation, it's a ranking basically, that how much we are intellectual, how much we are intelligent, how much we are inventive mind, our mind is how much innovative. You show there is a Switzerland in the first positions. It is the year of 2018 data actually, that in that time the Switzerland is the first positions. It's a small country. That country is the first position. You saw the second position is the Netherlands. It's a small country, that is the second position. Sweden, third positions. Finland, 7th positions. Where is India? Okay, go there in the next. You show there is a Singapore. Okay, come. Israel, Ireland, Japan, China in here. You saw there is a 17 positions. Where is India? There is Ireland, Iceland in 23. Okay, here it is, minded it is 2018 data. Here also Estonia is the 24th positions. Estonia is the 24th positions. Latvia 34 positions. Malaysia is in the 35 positions. Where is India? Where is our India? Where is our motherland? We are in the lagging positions in there, and you show our India is in these positions. That is the next slide. That is the 57th positions in our India. So Chile is in here. Vietnam is 45 positions, but we are in the 57th positions in the 2018 statistic ranking status. So for that reasons means all the audience, all the students, all the faculty member, all the teachers, it is my request to develop your intellectual brain. Yes, you have the intellectual capability. We have to think, we have to file patent. This is very, very important. We have to beat, we have to increase our intellectual capability. That's Indian 57 to have to reach 10 within top 10. Okay, this is our target to increase our global innovation index. Okay. Next, the e-filing procedure of the patent. I am just representing here the e-filing procedure. There is on YouTube link, you get the e-filing procedure properly in here. It's a very simple that you can own yourself file the patent, it can possible. And also this is the actual website where you can go and just search it, and there is a very simple, just you have to you just go there, the find the you select your natural persons like that way, and all, if any agents is there, then through agent they can go for that. Natural persons through that you own can able to file patent, it can possible. Okay, but things is that first time I say that you go for some patent expert to file the patent, or you go for some patent attorney for filing the patent first time. Okay, now the same things is the happen that the OTP or these things is coming in your mobile, and like that way you just entry, and then all the forms which we have already studied in the form 1 to form 18, all the form are attached in here. There is also some address and all those things you have to give, and like that way we can easily file by your own, or you can go for the patent attorney or patent expert. But my suggestions is that the first time you go for the patent expert. I feel that after these presentations you think about this, that we go for some patent filing. Patent filing is not a very good complicated thing. It's a very easy job. Okay, now it's the motivations is changed to the startup. What is startup? It's the main theme that the startup is the make something people want. Startup means the make something people want. Make something people want. What people want, that things, make something people want. Whatever the things, what is the problem is there, how we can overcome by your solutions, that is the startup only. That is the startup only. Just a minute. Sorry for interrupt. So the startup is the make something people want. Now I just come to this particular. There is a government of India is give some report that the 10 real problem in India for create the startup. If you can create the startup, you can very easily get the job, get the fund from the government of India. If you just locate for this 10 real problem. First problem, I say that instant access of healthcare. You know, some of the village still now in India, there is no access of the doctors. They are not able to access healthcare. They are not able to get the good doctors in some of the villages till now in the India. This public transport, we all know these pictures. We all saw this picture. This is a big problem in India. We have to solve this. How we can solve this? Through some others technology. You have to think like that way. You show the sanitations. That is also a very important problem in India. Throughout the India, some of the places still now the sanitations is a very big problem. Now go for the waste management. A huge plastic bottle and other waste things are there, and this wastage, how we can manage this waste to wealth, how we can convert this waste to the wealth, that is very important. We have to think as a young people, as a innovator. We have to think like that way. It is our responsibility for our society. It is our responsibility for our India. It's the pollution. There is air pollutions, water pollutions, sound pollution, several kinds of pollutions in there in the India. We have to think about that. Another 5 problem is the easy access quality education in some village. If you go for some village, there is no easy access of the educations. There is not good teachers. They don't know, And for that reasons we are become backward and backward and backward. This is very, very important. Till now in India, some of the villages are not get the electricity. Maybe some bureaucratic problem, or maybe some technical issue. So for that reason, that village have no electricity. Till now this problem is arise. Crime, day by day the crime is increasing. This is also another problem. But when, if I'm saying the problem, then we have to think about that. We have to think about the solutions of this problem. That is our, as a engineer, as a scientist, as a young people, as a young innovators. This is actual education. So we have to think how to address all this problem, and through that the revenue also should be generated. You show the safety of the woman, that is also very big problem. Safety of the woman at present is still now this problem is arise. You know the Delhi Kand and all those things, several things is, I'm not repeated all these things. So till now in India this problem is arise, safety of the woman, and this is a big problem. Clean water at present now it's a very difficult situations. What will happen, I don't know. We have to think as a new innovators with the startup for for the purpose of clean drinking water. This is very, very important. So there is a 10 numbers of points I have discussed, that these are the things, these are the problem. To overcome this problem, the startup can be generated. Next, another problem I just missed. I said there is a 10th numbers of problem. At present now, this is the global pandemic. This is the global problem. That 11th big problem, big global problem is a COVID-19. At present now we are in the industry 4.0. We are developing several things. I am giving you my lecture from Kolkata, and you are watching it throughout the India in Hyderabad specifically. But till now this problem is there in your place, in my place also. So to overcome this, some of the I'm just expressing the some of the innovations. You show this is innovations that is a gesture control lift switch, or any kinds of switch. Gesture control, you just think about that, switch on, switch off. It's a very simple things. You show the transparent mask, face mask is developed. Virtual showroom, we cannot able to reach the showroom, but the virtual showroom is already developed. You show this is the MIT developed UV robot to kill the COVID-19. UV robot to kill the COVID-19. Okay, UV robot, high strong UV is there, UV evaporated from here and just kill that. That is the MIT product. This is the delivery of, this is the delivery, that's your food or your whatever the things can be delivered by this robot. This is also, that is the anti-epidemic robot, that is also developed. Drone delivery system, that is also developed. So several innovations at present now going on in the India or all over the world, all over the globe, to overcome this problem. There is a body disinfection machine. I think you know about this in the airport and in several institute, in several organizations are there. Okay. Next, post-COVID growth sectors. In the post-COVID situations, what are the growth sectors? It's a very important slide. After this COVID, the workspace industry will increase. What is workspace industry? Work from home. That means we have to stay virtually somehow. That means the cloud. We have to stay in the cloud, in the virtual reality. I am giving you the my lecture through this virtual concept. I am not presenting in your institute, in your seminar. You also not present in your institute, maybe, but may not be. But things is that from here I am just delivering my my concept, and you just accept it from the South India, from the Hyderabad. For that reasons, this the huge cloud is required, and the workspace industry is required. So this will be change. This will also change in future, upcoming year. Education industry, you know that the education industry, it is the educational institute, and you have taken the online class and all those things. So you show there is a pictures of the online classes. You show the media and entertainment, film release. Film release is become as a web series is coming. That is the Netflix. You show web series concept is coming. There is a hospitality industry, that is a tourism and all those things, that's also converted to the virtual. Hotel, nobody access the hotel, some things is different. So for their reasons to overcome the COVID in future, these things is coming. So the growth is there, but you think we have to think it's differently. Self-care industry, salon, we are not go for the salon because of this coronavirus. So we have to make it solutions. It is at present now we have to think about that how to solve it, how to solve this problem. And this is the growth sector as elaborated by some experts. Next I'm just elaborating some predictions. It's a very important that predictions. My predictions is not my concern. I'm just getting some result and report from there. I'm just extracting and just elaborating that. The predictions one, just a minute. The predictions one is that the utility of digitalizations and visualization is now essential, because world is entering in the virtual world. Digitalizations is there. Digitalizations is there. World is in the virtual world. So nearly 27 to 60, 27.62% Indian populations was used mobile phone in the year 2019. In the year 2019, 27, and ICER said that it will be increased. At present, now the mobile phone purchasing is become increase. You show, do you notice the mobile phone purchasing become increase? So it is forecasting that 2022 the percentage of the cell phone user will be increasing the 50 to 60% in India. Percentage of the cell phone user become 50 to 60. Do you know what is the change? 30%, that is 27.62% to the 50 to 60%. There is a huge change. So huge numbers of mobile, huge numbers of electronics gadget related to the virtual reality is required, will be required. And for that reason, the electronics, computer and IT industry will create a will be created on the year 2021. There is a job market created. I'm explaining about the startup. We can go for this type of startup also. So it is the time for grabbing these things. Okay, next, predictions 2. If the mobile phone increase, then automatically I know that at present now, I hope all of you know that USA and Canada, UK, at present now the network is the 5G network, not 4G. We are at present now in 4G. 2023 we have to convert our network is the from 4G to the 5G. I know there is some environmental issue and all those things, but if I'm increase our volume of the subscriber, if I'm increase the volume of our subscriber, so for that reasons we have to convert it to the 4G to the 5G. That means it prescribed, it is predicted on the year of 2022 there will be a huge number of mobile network subscribers. Due to this, a huge network load, 5G network is essential. For 4G to the 5G, we have to convert it in the upcoming 2020-23. Next, the predictions 3, it's already we have already understand, we know about that these things is happening, that within 2020 education industry will be converted drastically. that concept of AI IoT empowered digital learning is introduced. AI IoT based digital learning, need based digital learning, IoT based digital learning. Teacher taking class from anywhere, from USA, from here also I'm taking class like that. At present now I'm taking a lectures, I'm explaining my webinar from from Kolkata, and you are watching it from the South India, Hyderabad, and anywhere of the India. So these things is change. This concept is change. So this is the predictions 3, and you have already understand that 2022 all things are virtual. All the online things are online class, and all those things are converting. All the offline class is converted to the online things. It will be happened. Next, predictions 4. In our education industry, how we can go for the laboratory examinations, laboratory, how we can access the laboratory. Yes, it can be possible. In the year 2020, it may introduce the concept of augmented reality. Augmented means how to make it big. That means we have to understand properly through the 3D view. And at present now, recently, some of the case that the industry visit and the internship also go through the virtually. That's very simple. I'm keeping my mobile and I'm just visit my lab, my industry, and students are there just showing these things. Yes, this same things is happened in the industry visit. So these things is happened will be happen in the lab also, and the headset or the this type of mobile also may be used to understand, to see this. Okay, so this is the prediction number 4. Now prediction 5. Medical industry. Access of the doctor will also change. One things I have already discussed in the previously, that in the remote place doctors are not available. So this is the one of the solutions. You show there is a doctors which can be accessed by the tab, and somebody can yes, naturally this is not the high medical issue. This is a very nominal medical issue. If there is a very complicated medical issue, that should be connected to the doctor, but very small simple medical issue. मेरे सर दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे पीठ में दर्द है, very simple issue. First time we have to consult through this with this virtual concept, and it may be possible we can connect the doctor from USA, we can connect the doctor to Canada or UK. It can be possible. Now you show there is a robot. It is specifically for the coronavirus patient, as it is the highly contaminated. So this is the robot, and doctor is showing in this particular display, and like that way these things is happening presently. Now predictions 3. Sorry, this is that some points I am just explaining. Just a minute. Hello. Yes. So the one things I want to say that in the year 2025, upcoming technological term in the year 2025. At present now the AI age is going on. That is the industry 4.0. This is also another part. I'm not elaborating all those things as much. Now I'm just explaining that's 4th term. This 4th term is coming in the market in the year 2025. That is, first one is the symbiosis. Symbiosis means it's a purely biological term. I am not purely biological person. Symbiosis is at present now it's present, but the term is engineering. Through engineering we are concepting like that way, that one species to another species and develop a new kinds of species. That is the symbiosis, and these things is developed hugely in the upcoming year. These things is developed hugely in the upcoming year. It will be changed, and that is the symbiosis. This term is coming in the 2025. Okay, informatics, that is a data science specifically, and it will be changed hugely. The information is everything at present now. Facebook is the information, huge information they are collecting. Google, huge information they are collecting. All are information. This I'm talking with you. This is also stored in the in Microsoft server. That is also informations. So all the informations, they can detect that yes, this is Bishwarup Niyogi and his expertise on this patent. Okay, very good. So whenever we are just sending his some advertisement related to patents, we can send. I think you can understand. This is the informatics. This is the informatics. Artificial intelligence is connected with that. Now the systemics. Systemics is that towards the immortality. I think you will think about that's what saying. What I'm saying, that immortality means, suppose heart, artificial kidney, artificial lungs, artificial nose, artificial eye. That is the systemics. That is the systemic. These things will come. Next one is the cybernetics. That is the brain machine interfacing, brain computer interfacing, BCI. I am thinking like that way one robot is thinking. Robot thinking, I can understand. So like that, one mental building with the technology, with the machine, these things will happen. So symbiosis, informatics, systemics, and the cybernetic. These are the term will come. These are the term will come in the year of 2025. We have to think about the research on it and start up on it. Now, this is a very interesting picture. I think my students, who are the students are here, is showing that here is a huge crowd. What is the reason behind this crowd? You know, there is a 40,000 students crowd, and in this 40,000 students are here, coming here in this crowd for the off-campusing, and 40 numbers of job will offer to them. 40 numbers of job will offer to them. So here in the 40,000 students, only 40 will get the job. Otherwise, just demotivated. Other students will demotivated. So we have to think some change by using this startup concept. If 400 students established one startup, everybody, then each startup will be created 100 jobs. Each startup will be created 100 jobs. If 100 jobs will create, then automatically this 40,000 problem will be solved. So this is a very important fundamental statistic. We have to create job. We have to become a leader. We have to become like that. We have to job creator, become as a job creator. We have to build the startup. It is a very easy things. I say that, believe on me, it's a very easy things. I give you some mantra that how we can on the startup. But things is that we have to do these things for the India, for our motherland. Okay. Then this problem is not arise. Job करके छूटने का कोई जरूरत नहीं. तुम्हारे पास concept, you think about like that, it can be possible. So, okay. Next, you show, some of you said that why I'm go for the startup. There is a huge risk here, huge risk factor. We don't go for the startup. We just sleepingly go for the job, and just rest of the life I'm spend my life very easily. But things is that if you are no risk, no gain. If you are no risk, no gain. You have to take risk factor. This is very, very important. Yes, there is a risk factor. You show the picture. There is a risk factor with the amount. So this is very, very important. But things is that there is also a mantra in India. The The mantra, some startup accelerator generate a mantra towards the success. First things is that in India, it is probability of the success is high because the populations of the India is 132.42 crore in as per the 2016. As per 2016. Now, what is the how the populations is connected with this startup? How the populations is connected with the startup? It is connected with the startup because that the populations using this we can that others country are interested to come in the India because for the market a huge populations. This is our positive point. Don't think it as a negative point. This is our positive point. Whatever the things you are develop, if you can able to reach the actual persons that what is the need of them, then your product will sell. It can possible. But your marketing is very, very mandatory and necessary. So in India, automatically your product absorption power is very high than the others country. So in India, we have to think like that way. We have to think at the populations is our positive point. So the populations of the India, one of the good things, good notations for the startup. Another mantra is the mantra that run. It may be different for the others. You can conflict, but as I'm finding it from some accelerator, startup accelerator, I'm just explaining you that mantra is the run your startup for 5 years. Run your startup for the 5 years. Anyhow, you just run. Anyhow means not like that, just waiting and just after 5 years. You have to do some work. Karte raho, lage raho, karte raho, lage raho for 5 years. Kuch na kuch karte raho. Do something, do something, do something. Every time you have to do something by your startup for the 5 years. After then, I'm just saying you, if you start your startup from tomorrow, then after 5 years in the 2025, you just contact with me. That said, yes, I am not become successful. I'm not become successful. But I say that you will become successful, and at that time you call me that yes, sir, you said this thing that I'm starting my startup on that day, and after 5 years, yes, you have to concentrate on your business, concentrate on your startup. Every day you have to do some work related to your startup, then you definitely reach the goal. Next, the rules of the innovations to the structures of the team that the human needs. What is actually the startup themes? Actually, human needs is the actual innovation. Human need. What human need? Actually, the human requirement, that is the actual innovations. Create a pipeline of the promising idea. Pipeline of the promising idea means whatever the idea you are coming in your startup or your team, you just propagate it. You don't keep it in your mind. You just propagate to others, and also take the concept from the others. Suppose you are a student team, you and 5 students accumulatively doing some project. Do your work and just you are not thinking to the others team members what they think and whatever. But it's not the policy, it's not the procedure. You have to think, you have to sit all together and just brainstorm and just say what you think, like that way you just get some jot down the actual innovation that can be possible. That is the create a pipeline of promising idea. Pilot experiment is necessary. Suppose you are developing something, you have to experiment for the pilot zone. So suppose you are developing some apps, you just give these apps to your friend circle freely, your teacher freely, and ask them, sir, how you feel? Friend, how you feel about my apps? What is your think about that? That's this app is acceptable or not? Then commercializations, the launch and then ramp up. After then you go for the commercialization. Before that you don't go to this. So these are the very important, and after then the improvement cycle is required. Now there is a write-up, that is the agility plus stability equals to the success in case of the startup. Teamwork is very important. Agility and the stability. What is agility? करते रहो, कुछ करते रहो. Startup के लिए कुछ करते रहो. That is the agility, and the stability is that just you have to stable. That is the stability. Agility and the stability both mix up. If I'm adding these two both, and then the success will become. So this is a very important term, the agility. It is a very important term. Okay. Next, I'm just saying you that some of you are till now thinking that why we go for the startup. Maximum startup are failed. There is a 10 numbers of points. If you can maintain all these 10 numbers of points, then your startup will not fail. It's a purely analysis and studied. After then, I'm just writing it here. You also maybe differ, or you can incorporate more point also. First point is that, first point, how a startup, why a startup fail. These things I'm at present now elaborating. I'm not taking too much time. This is my last slide. I'm just explaining that why startup fail. Number was the missing innovations around the humans money making model. Missing innovations around humans money making model. Whenever you are doing some startup, now you have to think about your customer or humans. From where you reach. Just I'm explaining you. Just give one example. That is the Jio. Okay. In case of Jio, what happened? Jio first time coming in the market, very free. That means the money making model for the human. Human beings are thinking, okay, very good. It's a very nice thing that I can. Human beings get some facility, get some incentive. So for that reason, that is called the human money making model. You have to do something by which human beings, your customer, your who is taking your facility, they can facilitate. That is very important. So if that is missing, then your startup will become a problem. Then the negative cash flow. What happened in the startup? There is a lots of startup incubator and startup fund. It's a possible the startup, if you can address proper problem, you have if you have the innovation, you also get the fund. But things is that there is some negative cash flow. Some of the startups, what they do, they just make a team. After then they can go for the startup and get one fund from the bank or government or whatever. And after then what happened? They are just purchase one car for the purpose of go to, or purchase one motorbike, or purchase one Apple phone. That is a negative cash flow. We have don't think like that way. We have to think first startup. We have to think for first the business, first our development. After then we have to think for this. Okay. Expansion with the negative margin. It is also very important. Point number 3, expansions in the negative margin. Negative margin means, suppose you know that Aircel, it's a expansion with the negative margin. Flipkart, it is expansion with the negative margins. It's have no profit, but expanded. But there is some problem with Aircel. You show. You have some. You know about that Aircel suffered. That the expansion with the negative margin, day by day, some problem will arise. That is also very important. The expansions with the negative margin, lack of high skill capable persons. This is also very important for the startup fail. What somebody do? A team, they do some startup, and then what they hire? His Bhatija, his but he is not skilled. His brother, his neighbor, That's not the procedure. In case of your startup, to make it signing, you have to hire the skilled persons, skilled and capable persons. Don't your family relations persons. Yes, if your family relative or the persons have the skill, then you can take. Don't think like that. These are the all the points are very important for the startup. Okay. Now scalability with the recurring revenue model. This is also very important. Scalability with the recurring revenue model. Whatever that you are doing some startup, you have to earning something uh, uh, with a recurring model within 1 month, every month. Yes, every month 10,000 or 5,000 or 500 or 2,000, our earning is there every month and month. If there is no this type of cash making, this type of revenue model, then your startup will suffer. This is very, very important that you have to earn every interval, proper interval. After then, just a minute. Sorry for the interrupt, because one phone is coming from a very urgent phone, that's why. Okay, so this the lack of high skill capable persons, scalability with the recurring revenue model. Scalability of the recurring revenue model is very important. Mixed marketing signal and wrong positioning, it is a very important. Suppose somebody is established one shop which is a different kinds of one product, and you think, okay, he's established this shop, then I have the money, I also established one shop beside him. There is some problem, you will suffer, because this is the mixed marketing and wrong positioning. This is the wrong positioning. And also, suppose you are doing some business related where the milk is actual raw material, and you are do this business where the milk, to get this milk you have to go 100 kilometers or 150 kilometers. So there is some problem. So you have to think like that. Your positions is very, very important. Releasing product as laggard. You show that at present now, product, you know, the time is a very important factor. Sachin Tendulkar, when make batting at that time, if it is a good timing, then it is become 6. If it is not good timing, it's not become 6. So you have to think like that way. The timing is a very important factor. That means at present now COVID-19 is happening. This is the pandemic. So it is the timing for develop something which can protect the protect the problem of the COVID-19, which can address the problem of COVID-19. So at present now, this is the time is going on. But at present now we are developing mask. But before that, suppose some startup before this pandemic are explaining that are coming with the product with the mask, then at that time we are not thinking about this thing. So this is the actual timing for the COVID-19. We have to think like that. We have to address. This is the actual timing. This is very, very important. Okay, releasing the product. Don't laggard. Save yourself from the getting out competent. It is very important. You have to think about your competent. What your competent thinking. This is very, very important to you. Whatever you are thinking, yes, you think about that. I am only the intelligent persons. Nobody is the intelligent. I am only capable to do everything. That's not the actual things. You have to think about your competent person, who are the competent of you, how they are thinking, your competent companies. Okay. missing the process of converting feedback and into feed forward. फोन में जब कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, जब ज्यादा पैसा काट लेता है, देयर इज प्रॉब्लम इन द फोन कॉलिंग एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, हम लोग डांटते हैं ना फोन कॉल को करके कस्टमर केयर को. Yes, the things is that is called the feedback. But things that which company think about the feedback properly, which company taking the feedback properly from the customer, then that thinks of the feedback, and through that this feedback they can change their product, and then it is become to the feed forward. So which persons is repeatedly say that product is not good for this, that is better for one startup can understand, yes, this type of problem is arise in the market for my product. Okay, next last point is the business model of the building a complete ecosystem. That is very, very important. The ecosystem is very important. That's whenever you are developing on business and business model, and they are nearly what are the things are available, that is very, very important. If you are not properly thinking about the proper business model, proper revenue generations model, then it cannot be possible to success in your business, in your startup. So this is very, very important. So these are the 10 points that can fail the startup, and like this way I'm just completing my presentations, and over to the host.
Thank you, Vishwarupda, for that much of very good session with us. It's the pleasure for everyone, all the participants, to take that some of the idea how to file that patent and what is IPR. So from that participants, only 2 questions are there. The first question is, explain the importance of IPR.
Okay, I'll explain that. Yes, to protect your product from the market. That's I have already discussed that. Suppose there is some. Suppose you are developing some product. It is your intellectual property. Okay. You have to protect it from the somebody. It is your own property. That things is recognized by the patent. That is very, very important. So for that reasons, to protect your product from the others persons, others startup, this is very, very important to file the patent, file the copyright, file the design, file the GI, and it will create a flavor of your company. It will create your credential. That is, and also it can be useful for the purpose of getting the fund. If you have the patent, if you go for the bank, then yes, it is my product, I develop these things, I have the patent, and then the bank will accelerate properly. It is okay. Next question.
And the next question is, how anyone can know that any idea, that if anyone is done any idea, but how they know that idea is already patented or not?
Yes, what I'm saying, that patent searching, it's a very important tool. That you first go for the Google. It's a very simple. You just go for the Google. You just search. You just write down in the Google patent search. When you are writing the patent search, then a patent search page is coming. Okay, and when the patent search page is coming, you write down about your idea by changing different mode. Suppose your idea is some mask or some ventilator, which is some different new kinds of things. You just write down title in several way. You get some concept. You get several numbers of patent in there related to your idea, and just read all this idea, read this concept, and like that you just go for the conclusions. Yes, this is already exist the patent, or it is in your mind, that is new. But one things I want to say, that if you are developing some idea, if you generate some idea and just file it to the patent, but you think that uh, uh, yes, some things, this type of product is there, that also possible to file. How it can be possible to file? There is some possibility that what are the difference in your idea than this idea, you have to find out like that way. That things also possible, but you have to justify properly. Yes, in that patent, this type of representations, this type of things, in here, this type of representation, this type of field. So like that way it can possible to file. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, Vishwaruddha, for
Yes.
that very good session, very good interactive session. And if possible, if next time again, if we contact, we are again contact with you and all that.
Thank you.
Thank you to the speaker and everything. Now I will hand it over my session to that to my co-host, that is Mrs. B. Udayasri ma'am, for that the valedictory and all this.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. On behalf of BMTW, we would like to thank today's speaker, Dr. Vishwarup Niyogi sir, for enlightening us on startup creation, patent filing, innovative prototype design, and project proposal writing. Next, I would like to thank our chairman, Dr. L. Rattaya Garu, CEO B. Shravan sir, Principal Dr. G. Apparao Naidu sir, and Head of ECE Department Vijay Kumar R. Urkude sir for organizing this webinar. Special thanks to Dr. Samiran Chatterjee and all the faculty for their enormous support in making this possible. Finally, I would like to thank all the participants for making it a huge success. All the participants will be receiving e-certificates within 10 days after submitting feedback form. We will be sending feedback form link by today evening. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.